The Sweethanol project is co-funded by the Intelligent Energy Programme of the European Commission, part of the European Framework Programme for Competitiveness and Innovation, CIP. The Intelligent Energy for Europe helps to accelerate the implementation of European Union objectives in the field of sustainable energy. Center for Theoretical and Applied Ecology, Italy. Technological Center, Carti Foundation, Spain. Regional Energy Agency of Central Macedonia and Natoliki, SA, Greece. Research, Training and Development National Department for Agri-Food, Environmental and Services Sector of Coldiretti, Italy. Association for the Dissemination of Biomass Use in Spain. Agricultural Cooperative of Halastra, Greece. The Sweethanol project, funding by the European Commission through Intelligent Energy Programme, has wanted to show the actual situation of the bioethanol production from sweet sorghum, considering as a model taking the existing reality of India, Peru, and Spain. Speaking about bioethanol, maybe the first step is to know what it is. The bioethanol definition can be made in different ways. For example, ethylic alcohol formed by 2 molecules of carbon, 6 of hydrogen, and 1 of oxygen, CH3CH2OH. A chemical definition and very rigorous of what it is, but without indicating what is the significance of bioethanol. Or a definition based on the raw materials, where the bioethanol is the ethanol obtained from biomass or from the biodegraded fraction of the wastes by fermentation of their sugars. The raw materials can be cereals, sugar beet, sugar cane, potatoes, lignocellulosics, etc. Or, based on the use of this alcohol, defining it as a fuel for engines obtained from biomass, typically corn, sugar cane, whey, sugar beet, and others. This bioethanol can replace the gasoline with small percentages in ordinary vehicles or with higher percentages in modified engine vehicles. This molecule has been the origin of an industrial development with a big magnitude and impact on the society, and with an industrial history of a bit more than 100 years. The first steps of the bioethanol as biofuel were done thanks to Henry Ford, who, with his Model T, designed the first car with an explosion engine that used ethanol as fuel in year 1905. From then, there have been ups and downs in history of the development and use of bioethanol as biofuel. Although due to low oil prices, it was this which was implanted worldwide, relegating ethanol to a second row. While was in the 70s, when due to serious petroleum supply crisis, was given a new boost to industrial production and use of bioethanol as fuel. That's when Brazil opted for the production and use of bioethanol. And for that, they based throughout its development on what they had at hand, sugarcane. Given their experience in the production of sugar from cane, adaptation and transformation of the sugar industry into alcohol production was rapid and effective. Following Brazil, another country bet heavily on bioethanol, the United States of America, although in their case, they had at hand corn, and this raw material was the center of development in the USA bioethanol production. Nowadays, we can say that these are the 2 main lines of bioethanol production: sugarcane or raw materials with saccharose and cereals or raw materials with starch. At the end, the 2 main countries producers of bioethanol are Brazil and the USA. While, apart from sugarcane and cereals, is actively working to implement other raw materials that complement and enhance the level of current supply and industrial development. Also, these new raw materials, ranging from the hand of new applications and improvements, want to do more and more efficient the bioethanol sector, integrating the first and second generation, improving equipment performance, reducing costs. All this had led to this report, where we have been able to visit and evaluate different realities in the production of ethanol around the world, including India, Peru, and Spain, in order to develop a versatile production, more profitable and efficient, that works closely with social development and sustainability.